Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a new way to make money online just by watching YouTube videos. That's right, you heard it correctly. You can earn up to $3,420 or more just by watching YouTube videos for free. In this video, I'll be walking you through the entire process step by step so you can start earning money online in 2023. So, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for Swagbucks. The first thing you need to do is sign up for Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a website that pays you for completing various tasks, including watching videos, taking surveys, and more. Once you sign up, you'll receive a $10 sign-up bonus, and you can start watching videos right away. Step 2. Find videos to watch. Once you're signed up for Swagbucks, you can start browsing the videos they have available. You'll find a variety of videos to choose from, including news, entertainment, and more. Simply click on the video you want to watch, and Swagbucks will reward you with points. Step 3. Earn points and redeem for cash. As you watch videos, you'll earn points that can be redeemed for cash. You can also earn points by taking surveys, shopping online, and more. Once you've earned enough points, you can redeem them for cash via PayPal or gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon, Target, and more. Step 4. Refer friends to Swagbucks. If you want to earn even more money, you can refer friends to Swagbucks. For every friend you refer, you'll earn a percentage of their earnings. Plus, your friends will receive a $10 sign-up bonus, so it's a win-win situation. So, there you have it. That's how you can earn over $3,420 just by watching YouTube videos for free. With Swagbucks, you can start earning money online in 2023 without any investment or skills required. Sign up today and start earning. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.